Union has said it strongly regrets the Donald Trump surprise plan and also double down the US tariff on the steel and aluminium is not taken in good regard, also is a move that risks throwing bilateral trade into the chaos. Also on Friday, the United States President told a rally in the steel-making city of the Pittsburgh that the tariff would rise from the 25% to 50%, claiming this would boost the local industry and national supplies. The European Commission told the BBC and the Millennium on the Saturday that the Trump latest move on the tariffs undermined the ongoing effort to reach a deal, warning about the countermeasures. Also, this is also that is raising questions about the UK zero tariff deal with the United States on the steel and the aluminium, which, although agreed, has not been able to be signed. The US steel makers said that the doubling of the tariffs is yet another body blow to the industry, while a United Kingdom government spokesman said, "We are engaging with the United States on the implication of the latest tariff announcement and to provide clarity for the industry." The United Kingdom, which left the European Union following the 2016 Brexit referendum, was the first country to clinch a trade deal with the United States earlier this month. In a statement sent to the BBC on Saturday, the European Commission, the EU's executive arm, said, "We strongly regret the announced increase of the US tariffs on the steel imports from 25% to 50%. This decision adds further uncertainty to the global economy and increases the cost for the consumers and businessmen on both sides of the Atlantic." The tariff increase also undermined the ongoing effort to reach a negotiated solution. Also in good faith, the European Union paused its countermeasures on the 14th of April to create space for the continued negotiations, the statement said, warning the bloc is prepared to impose countermeasures.